Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age. And as most of you know, I'm a former model and I love fashion. I just love putting together outfits, but sometimes even I'm guilty of ruining an outfit by, some styling or something else. And so I thought I'd do this video with 8 tips on how not to ruin your outfits and also how to make them more of a polished and chic look. So let's start with tip number 1. It's not pushing in your pockets. So many times we rush out the door without taking our final look. And sloppy pockets, especially with jeans, can truly ruin the whole outfit. Push those pockets down and always have one of these handy, the absolutely essential full-length mirror. Now let's talk about those jeans because, as you know, I absolutely love the stretchy ones. But you know what? They need special care. And so when you're washing them, yes, you can wash, always read the label, of course, but I know with these Lee ones, you can wash them in the washing machine, but just make sure that it's cold water or, lukewarm water. Now, what you don't want to do, you don't want to wash them in hot, and you certainly don't want to put them in the dryer because anything with elastic, it doesn't matter if it's your jeans, it doesn't matter if it's a top, if it has elastic or it has spandex, if you put it in the dryer, it's going to start to get brittle and those elastic strands, they're just going to start to break, and there goes the whole shape of your jeans, your pants, your tops, and actually your whole outfit. And on the topic of care, that also includes your delicates. I actually like to hand wash my bras, but I have used one of those mesh bags, on a gentle cycle in cold water. But also when you're using the bra, make sure that you lay it flat and put it on a towel to dry, especially if you've got, a little bit of padding in the bra. Also, that also goes with shapewear. A lot of the shapewear, of course, it's got, elastic in it, and a lot of them have, I don't know if you can see this here, but it's got the silicone as well. And that's really important that that doesn't get burnt in a dryer. So none of the delicates should really go in a dryer. Now, after I have washed this, again, I like to wash with my hand, but on a gentle cycle, maybe in a mesh bag, make sure what I do, I just hang them up to dry. And whether you've washed your bra and it's out of shape or it just doesn't fit right anymore, that's another really important thing. You really have to make sure that you've got a bra that fits, or the outfits, they just won't look right. Oh, and you know what? I noticed that a lot of the women that are watching my videos, they haven't subscribed yet. So I would love, love, love for you to join me here on my channel. There's a button down there somewhere to subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. And let's stay on the topic of keeping our clothes, in really good shape. Let's talk about knits and sweaters as tip number 4. Sometimes the way that we store our sweaters can really make a difference. If it's a very heavy knit, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold them and sort of store them more flat. But if they are a lighter knit, just like they said in Mummy Dearest, no metal hangers. If you use the metal hangers, what they do is they actually make points in the clothing, and you certainly don't want to have that. It's better to get hangers like these. These are actually, they have kind of a velvet around them. They're notched, so if I have like a spaghetti strap, I can use that. They're also very thin, so I can get more clothes into my closet. And you know what, as far as any knits that I have, as you can see, they're more rounded, so they're nicer on the clothes. Also, what I have here is, this is what I use for pants or maybe two-piece leisure kind of outfits, where I can put the pants here and I can kind of put a top over top. And these hangers, they are the best investment that I've made to make sure that my clothes don't get ruined. And by the way, you can find those hangers and a lot of the other things that I'm going to talk about and have talked about in this video at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. Just scroll down to the household section. And I'll also have information for you underneath the video description and also in the comments. But let's get into some styling ideas with tip number 5. And don't forget to stay until the end of the video where I always have an inspirational message for you. All right, let's talk about our handbags for a minute. And this is my absolute favorite go-to bag. It's by Bagolini, and it's a crossbody bag. It's got a lot of things going for it. But you know what? If I wear it with a lot of my outfits just by itself, it ruins the outfit. So let's take a look at what I mean. This fresh look with a pink top and white blazer looks off when I add my black purse to it. I find it's best to stick with a small bag like mine, this black one from Bagolini, and just place it inside a handbag that coordinates with the outfit that I'm wearing. Take a look at the difference, and that little bag has all I need. I sometimes will fit my cell phone in the outfitted purse, but my wallet, credit cards, and other things are easy to get to in the tucked in black one. And you may have noticed that I had bare legs in that last video clip. And as much as I really want, the natural look pantyhose to come back in style, it really hasn't caught on. So what I want to do with the next tip is just kind of show you how to make your legs look better for tip number 6. Now I have kind of a subtle tan in the summertime, but if I'm going to a winter event or a gala, a New Year's Eve party, something like that, I want to have a little bit of a tan. And so for this, I love this product. I've tried this product. I use this product. It's Saint Tropez self-tanning, and it's actually a bronzing mousse. And so, you just, make sure that when you buy this, you also buy the little mitt that goes with it. It's a little blue mitt. And you just sort of put the mousse onto the mitt. Now, follow the instructions. Make sure that you exfoliate your legs. There's lots of things that you need to do. And remember that you need at least 2 days before the event in order for this to really work for you. Now here's another tip for your legs. Did you know when you shave your legs, about 1/3 of what you're shaving is skin? Like, yikes. What I don't want to do, I don't want to have dry, flaky looking legs, and I don't even want to have dry, flaky looking arms as well. So what I love to use is Moroccan oil. This is actually their night body serum, but if I'm showing my arms and I'm showing my legs, I just put, let me see how I can do this here. I'll just put it over here, and I'm going to put it on myself, and you'll see that it gives a nice, a nice little shimmer there to my skin. It makes it not look so dry. And then also what they have, I love this product. It's called Shimmering Body Oil. And I'm going to put this lightly on, after this, on my legs and also on my arms. And let me just show you how we use it. So you can see there, can you see kind of the shimmer inside? And I'll put a little bit on my skin here. Don't need a lot of it. And I put a little bit on my legs as well. And you just kind of put it in like this. And it just gives you a little bit, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it gives you just a beautiful, radiant kind of glow. And that's what I like to do. I like to have a little bit of a shimmer, a little bit of a glow whenever I'm going to a kind of fancy or just a normal event. For my next tip, it's actually from my grandmother. She always told me to make sure that my shoes look good because she said, everybody looks at your shoes. And so I know what she meant. She meant like keep them shiny, keep the heels, looking good, not worn down. But I want to show you 2 outfits right now where the shoes make a huge difference. And I think the before ones really do ruin the outfit. So we all know that sneakers are trending now with dresses, especially the summer dresses. But this does not mean athletic shoes like these ones. You need to buy something like these Keds, which by the way are made of leather, and they're easy to clean, and they have more of a polished look. And as for boots, ankle boots have always been popular, but a pair like this just ruins the entire look. It's the wrong color and they look clunky. Most of us want to look like we have longer legs, so try to go with a similar color to your leggings or pants. And for me, with leggings, I don't want to cut my legs off, down around the bottom here by showing skin. So a black pair of socks helps with that look. As I was preparing this video, I was thinking to myself how important it is for the daughters of this world who never took a home economics class to know, how to take care of their clothes and how to keep from ruining them. So please feel free to share this video with whomever you want. And I think it's so important that the clothes that we have in our wardrobe, we can keep them for a longer time and also keep them in shape. I mentioned how important it is to take a look at yourself in the full-length mirror before you leave the house, but it's also important, like if you've got the shoes right, you've got the outfits right, you got on a little bit of rouge and makeup and you feel good, make sure that you don't look at your weight gain, you don't look at the wrinkles, and you concentrate on your self-confidence, your self-esteem. And what I really want you to do is I want you to take that smile and take that energy and take it to wherever you're going and radiate it. Radiate it to everybody, especially to the younger women. I'm going to an Aging Well conference this week, and it seems like lately there's more and more of these going on. And what I'm really excited about is it's all about my age group, our age group. And you know what? Our age group's actually trending right now. And since we're all trending right now, put on that styled outfit. Go ahead, like my grandmother used to say, and put on a little rouge, put on a little lipstick, maybe put on a little bit of that Moroccan shimmer. And most importantly, don't forget to wear your beautiful smile. And for me, it's just one more way to be loving our age.